Hello, hope you're fine. Today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 25, and today's topic is numbers. This is so easy topic. I think you know about it already. After that, let's read what is written over here. Here see 20, 20, 20 means 2 tens. We know this. Here 20 means 2 tens means there are 10 plus 10. 30 means 3 tens, same way. 3 tens are here. 40 means 4 tens. 50 means 5 tens. 60 means 6 tens. 70 means 7 tens. 80 means 8 tens. 90 means 9 tens. And 100 means 10 tens. Here it is written, when we write a units word after a tens word, we use a hyphen. Here 5 means 65. Here see 60. After that we have used here hyphen, then 5. Same thing is here 29, 20 hyphen 9. 36 see 30 hyphen 6. So after reading this, if we do some exercises, then this topic will be clearer for us. Let's do. Here, see a number exercise. Write the word that fill the gaps. 7 tens are what? We can write it easily. 7 tens are 70. The number dash is 1/2 of 100. So easy. We know that is 50. Next one, 4 times 10 are 40. 6 rows of 10 make. Another way it is told here. Here actually 6 10. So here it will be 60. 3 tens are so easy. That is 30. B number exercise. Here it is written, write the words for the following numbers. So easy. We can write here, what is this? 42. Right here 40. After that we have read in this place, see, if we write this type of unit, so after one unit we have to use what? Hyphen. So let's use this one, 40 hyphen what? 40 hyphen 2. Here I'm not giving hyphen, otherwise you can be confused. So here I'm putting colon. So 97, it will be 90 hyphen 7. 78, it will be 70 hyphen then 8. 54, 50 hyphen 4. Then 83, what we will write here? IGHTY, 80, 83. Okay, so let's do next exercise and let's read what is written over here. Here it is written, see number exercise. Remember all you have learned about spelling numbers on this page and on page 4 and write the words for these numbers. So let's write here, see 14. We can write easily 14. Next 8. What it is called? It is 99. 99. I have done a mistake over here. I didn't put what? I didn't put hyphen. So here this is 13. Then 30. This one 5. This one what? 21. We have to use hyphen. 21. So next one, see H number 11. This one 86. And this one 100. So today I have done page number 25 from Junior English Book 1 and we found the topic, that is numbers. Next day, we will do page number 26. There we will find a topic that is colors. Bye for today.